Hello and welcome to Tech Gadgets. The much awaited 2018 Yamaha YZF-R15 version 3 has been revealed and was first launched in 2008 and has spanned a cult following among performance enthusiasts. A huge fan following for this bike, entry-level sport bike from Yamaha almost a decade later. Yamaha has introduced the latest third generation of model of R15, which will replace the existing R15 version 2.0. And the 2018 model doesn't only get some styling updates but significant changes all around, including a bigger, more powerful and more technology-laden engine, updated deltabox chassis, a new swingarm and revised steering geometry. And is the new Yamaha R15 as good as it sounds? Let's check what is the difference from the old to new. And the new generation Yamaha R15 definitely gets a step up in design with sharp styling. Inspired by the Yamaha YZF-R1 with called the twin-eye split dual LED headlights and R1 style cockpit with a new multifunction all-digital instrument console, LED taillights and a sharp aerodynamic new fairing. And the instrument panel features as many as 18 functions including the standard speedometer, tachometer, odometer, twin trip meters, and clock, instantaneous fuel consumption, average fuel consumption, gear position indicator, and a programmable shift timing indicator is also available. And overall the bike definitely is a looker and looks leaner and more proportionate than the outgoing model. So how does it perform? The engine gets significant updates on the third generation Yamaha R15. It now gets a displacement bump 155cc, claiming a 16.3% increase in horsepower as well as 4.7% increase in fuel efficiency. The engine also gets a variable valve action VVS system which uses a solenoid actuator to switch the high cam profile to increase lift of the inlet valve. And the VVS system is activated when the engine reaches 7400 rpm, but now the torque and power is provided over a wider rev range instead of the torque and pull tapering off towards the high revs. The result is more eager engine and it also provides better low and mid-range pull as well. And the new engine gets 19 bhp at 10,000 rpm with maximum torque of 15 Nm kicking at 8,000 rpm. And with the torque spread over wide range of engine revs, the new R15 version 3 feels more eager with power and torque than outgoing model. Also new is a newly designed cooling system, a new larger diameter throttle body and a slipper clutch, which not only makes for a lighter feel at the lever but also makes gear changes smoother and more precise. One of the biggest bored out engine definitely feels trottier and more powerful than ever. In fact, the R15 is now the most powerful bike in its segment, and that is immediately felt when you redline through the gears. It's eager, tractable and feels like a larger bike than it actually is. And there are some vibrations on the foot pegs and elbows towards the higher revs, but nothing significant to complain about. So overall, the price is around 1.25 lakhs ex-showroom. It's around 6,000 more expensive than the outgoing model. But for the updates it gets, the new R15 version 3 certainly makes a very good proportions for riders looking for an entry-level sports bike. And it's got great road manners, a very good engine and very likable handling, which will certainly gives it a big hand in this segment. So hope that guys you like this video. Please comment and subscribe for my channel for more tech and auto related updates. Thank you.